Pencil sticker. Noma Noma.
Freedom Isles.
Yes.
Isn't it great to be back in the creative part of the mine?
Nah.
Jeez, cheer up, big guy.
On the right side of the mind is the creative mind. Okay, okay. I just forget these things. This is so pretty. So whimsical. Huh?
Hey!
Oh.
Visitors! How delightfully inconvenient!
That's the whole point. I'm supposed to inconvenience you,
What
villain.
was that?
Let's find out.
Come to me. Da-da-da. Follow the plague nightmare. What is he gonna throw at me? Oh, oh my. Oh no.
I'm the plague fear of disease! I come with waff and rotten tea! These isles are mine, thou shalt not pass! I bid you farewell with this wall of glass!
I can't cross.
Smell you later, boys!
Ugh.
That was the nightmare Mayor Relic was talking about.
You don't say.
Turn E. Turn E. Turn E. There we go. Give me my endorphins. What do my endorphins do? Okay. Battery.
What the?
Look out!
There it is. What? The red battery too? What does that one do? Oh, that's the musical side. Okay, I need an energy. Here we go. Give me. Why is it not starting? Oh, wrong battery. Try again. Supposed to get the red battery, not the green battery.
There goes me bloody power!
Sorry! The acting was cute though.
Certainly not.
Red battery. Yes.
Not.
There we go.
Good
Yes.
work. The mind is completely clouded by all this filthy gas.
Oh no. Ah.
Completely clouded by all this filthy gas.
Okay, try again. I hear it. I'm sorry, pal. Birdie. I'll forget your name already. Mosquito Devil. Oh, that's a cool name for them. Okay. I can't turn this? I guess I'm going this way. E. E. Does that blow away the other one? Oh. No. Guess I blow this one away. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, not another one.
More! Teeth are falling out of the sky!
What the heck?
I thought I overcame the fear of dentists a long time ago.
Oh, key. Pretty handly thing.
Stupid thing is stuck.
Give it a whack!
Okay. Hey me. Mine now. Fucking teeth. Okay. Let's turn this.
Won't work. It's missing its handle. Won't work.
Yes.
That should
Yes.
fix it.
Yes. Okay, this way. Caterpillar. Caterpillar bridge. Interesting. E. Hello? Wake up! What does that do? I don't know. I'm stealing your light bulb. I'm sorry. What does this do? Walking across this caliper is creepy. Turn. Let me get past this. Okay. Fucking teeth again.
Certainly not.
There we go. Oh my god, more teeth. Oh my god. Teeth. Okay, no more teeth.
Assistant, are we? Well, for you I have a gift full of black death, rat nose, and green gills. A pharmacy of bitter pills, drenched in sweat and with a scream. You wake up from my fever dream. Your blood is boiling, your headache split. You lose your lunch and smell like something nasty. I'm the sickness you cannot quell. There is no cure, you won't get well.
How do I kill him? I'm running around in circles at this point.
Hey, look! Some of the fart bombs seem to explode slower.
I knew it. Cow main character's a cow. Oh my god! He's not a cow. I don't know what he is though. Getting attacked by teeth here.
Assistant, are we? Well, for
Okay,
you
I
I
need
have a
to
gift
kick
full
the.
of black death, rat nose, and green gills. A pharmacy of bitter pills, drenched in sweat
And with the scream.
You wake up from my fever dream. Your blood is
The
boiling, your headache split. You lose your lunch and smell like
Something nasty.
I'm the sickness you cannot quell. There is no cure, you won't get well.
I need more endurance points. Oops. Try again. Let's get these first. Running away from dropping teeth. Okay. Let's get this guy.
Assistant, are we?
Yes.
Well,
Very.
for you, I have a gift.
Very much so, sir.
Red nose and green gills. A pharmacy. Up
I've
with a
definitely
pill.
red and green pills.
Drenched in sweat and with a scream. You wake up from my fever dream. Your blood is boiling, your headache split. You lose your lunch and smell like an acid.
Something nasty? Like shit?
I'm the sickness you cannot quell. There is no
There's
cure,
no cure,
you
you
won't
won't
get
get
well.
well. Oh, I love this. Come on. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Come on. Throw me another. Nice.
I am out of here.
Oh, he broke the tooth.
That coward. He fled deeper in.
Catchy tune, though.
Go deeper to find the plague. Oh, wait. There's something up there I can use. Rope with hook.
That is a strange plant. Even for free.
Should be able to use this.
Yeah, what's the catch?
Oh, use. Ooh. Oh, it fell off with it over there. Cool.
That's one smart apple.
Prepare for
liftoff.
liftoff.
Jeez, shut up and fasten your seat belt.
Only you need to, Dusty. Let's go. How does this
I was
work?
like, what? When the mine stopped practicing the ukulele. Waste of talent if you ask me, but
Finally, we're here.
oh.
The nightmare must be here somewhere.
Oh, it's broken. Why is... Okay, I guess I wait. There we go. What's happening here?
Hey! Come back here, stink breath!
Oh, my.
That wimp never stops
Treat.
running, does he?
All nightmares are the same. Cowards.
Well, I can't go through there. Oh, what the heck does that do? What the heck does this do? Going up here. Ow.
Ow!
2, 1. What is happening to my health? Okay, okay. Okay. Let's just die. Die. Ouch. That was not worth that hit. Okay. Nom, 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 nom. Got more endorphins. Give me my endurance pills. Gimme. Okay.
Nobody seems to be at home. The bridge is out.
Mate, I put the kettle on. The kettle's already on, mate. We'll see if the two brothers have put theirs on too.
No one's home.
Guess I can't go that way. What does this do? What is this supposed to be?
Nope.
Okay.
Hey, Dusty! That tree bears a strange flute.
Yeah. But how to get it?
Oh no, not again. Hold on. I have a catapult and a handle base. Okay.
Look! The flower!
Flower? Oh.
This barf rodent doesn't seem to stay dead.
I'm supposed to wait. Make him aim here.
thing?
Yes.
Stay tuned, flute.
Need this.
Nope.
Hey yo! Thanks for fixing the bridge, bro! Yo, bro!
Certainly not. I guess no one lives in there.
Okay, got the floor.
Kettle's brewing, mate.
Definitely not.
Okay. Where to next? Where to next? I can't go there because. Oh wait, let me try knocking on this guy's door.
Go away, nobody's home.
I guess not. This is so cool. Let's put the handle in. Turn. Guess we
Nope.
try it. Where am I? There's a lot going here. Another one. Oi. I mean, okay. I'm gonna risk it. Come to me. I need my endurance pills. Endurance. Up, yep, up. Steal your battery.
There's no power for my electric drum kit, man. It's really annoying, you know.
Sorry, bro. Guess go this way. Yes, yellow. Oh wait, it's a dragonfly. That's really cool. Let me see if I can get a piece for this. Oh, there was nothing this way. Okay, let's go this way. Fingers crossed you work the way I want you to. Yes! Oh god. There's nothing going on here, but I need my things. So let's go down. Take this. Take the battery. Can I take the disc too?
I can't go up that way. The elevator
Use item.
is missing a part.
Q? Q.
Uh-uh.
Q. E. Yeah, it sneezes. It sneezes, puke. It's a puke monster. Or is it a sneeze monster? Ah, my god, not again, not again. Ah. Okay, almost. One more. Okay, good. Can I take the desk from this one? Yes. Good. I don't know what you said there. Assassination? Assassination. Okay. Got my ding.
Nah.
Let's go.
Nope.
Oh, I can't pick it up anymore? Alright. Use. Okay. Ooh.
Finally, the road is clear.
Yeah, let's catch that, fart-smelling, wimp.
Such clever insults.
It's puking. Because I killed the sneeze monster. Oh, you meant assassination. Okay, yeah. You, sir, have interesting spelling.
Run all you want, Fartface. We're coming to get you.
Fart face. How do I get up there?
Hey, look. Prince Puke dropped something.
Getting really
Trumpet
creative with the name
piston.
calling there.
Thanks, Tubby.
Use item E. Oh.
Nice.
I can't seem to see the other pistons around here.
Remaining bridge pistons. Oh, it goes this way. Okay. Oh no. Oh, come back here. Okay, good. Oh no. Not falling
More of those
teeth.
Don't fight your time.
Okay, good. Teeth. Oh.
I smell a rat.
They soil everything with their spew.
Puke rats. Kill. Nice. Why'd I walk into it? Yes. To turn burn that thing. How do I get on there? Oh, let me get a dude to puke over here. Yes. I can't decide if he's puking, projectile, spew, vomit, or is he, sneezing. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill him! Alright, I can get out of here. Not fucking teeth again. I don't want to remind us to go to the dentist. Fuck!
I've got the hang of this now.
You've still got it, big guy.
Got the battery.
Another Synapse battery. Did we miss a socket earlier?
Let's go look.
Socket. Just sneezing, not puking. Alright. Oh, excuse me. Oh dear.
Nuh-uh. Nah.
No. Not quite. Don't ask me why I'm back here. I'm trying to figure out something. But I only have a blue battery right now. I don't know, this doesn't make sense.
Definitely not.
Nope.
Nuh-uh.
Don't forget to hydrate, people. Ba-dum-bum. Oh, I can pick this one up, but that would mean try this again. Okay.
Definitely not. Certainly not. Nuh-uh. No way.
No. Don't get it. Guess I go back. Did I misinterpret the information that was being given to me? Probably. Too vague. Too vague. I need this. Let's check back down here again one last time. Nope.
I can't go up that way. The elevator is missing a part.
Let's take the elevator metal dust and go to the next
way.
one. And then install it again and go back down. And then uninstall it and reinstall it and another one so I can go back up again. Oh my god. Ever so slightly tedious.
Definitely.
Numa numa. Alright, let's go. So if you guys decide you like this game, it's currently free on Steam until the 9th. Overpass originality. I didn't notice that earlier. Blue battery socket. Maybe. I'll come back here. Okay, falling teeth again. Oh my gosh. Come back here. Okay. I guess it's here. No, don't hit me. Oh, okay. Down. No. Maybe we go this way. Oops.
What the? Well, at least we can pass now.
Yeah, true. Am I supposed to knock on someone's door? Nope. I'm just gonna keep going then. Goodbye.
The symphonic lobe, where the mind. Ugh, man, what the heck are those things?
Plague really did a dirty number on these flowers. This nightmare is getting on my nerves.
I'm gonna go back. Yeah. I don't know what is happening.
We're back at the overpass of originality.
Thank you. I needed to know that. Do I need to go to other places in order to find the other pins? Try going down here. I can't go further. Can I? Oh.
All this filth blocking our way.
Okay, I see what I need to do. Okay, let's turn this around one more time so I can get over there. Turn this the other way so I can get the other pin here. Turny. More turny. Turny. This one.
Stupid thing is stuck.
I need another fertile soil. I need another thingy to plant there. And turn this way. One more time. There's something over there. That might be useful.
This bridge seems to need 2 synapse batteries.
I don't have
Maybe
any.
we should look around Freedom Isles.
It leads to a forgotten memory. It won't help us get to the plague. We don't have to stray from our path.
No. I did the doo-doo. Background. Face me. Face me. Okay, okay. Maybe that to face the other one so that I can turn this one to throw that one away. And then turn this to blow this thingy away. But turn the other one to blow this away. Like that. And then turn that. Oh, and then up a couple more times. One more time. Okay. I don't like how they only turn one way. Got my
All this
seedling.
work for a lousy sprout.
On with the garden gloves, Dusty. I'm sure we'll find use for it.
Alright. Get my way out of here. So I can turn this one, blow that one away. Turn this one. Turn the other one away. And then, oh, I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. Okay, I'll put this in.
Soil?
Eh.
What can we do with soil?
We'll cross that bridge when we come to thumbs up, Dusty. Green thumbs, that is.
Thumbs. Oh. I guess I need to solve the other spaces before I can cross that bridge. Oh my. This is a lot of work.
Gardens of
I think we
Creativity.
pause here. Pause here. Yes. Yes, I'm tired. Alright guys, that is all for right now. Till next time. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah. Like, follow, like, hit the subscribe, and then the bell. Oof, I am tired. I don't know what happened. Till next time, I'm gonna go probably knit and finish those two snitch wings that I said I would. To lose.